may towel pala, Elsa, here.
Water's clean, bro.
Papon. Wow. Hi, thank you.
Definitely cold.
Kunin mo yung ano, swimsuit. Yung swimming
Swim
trunk
at your
mo.
own risk.
Get your swimming trunk. Pinelli, hi!
Good morning. Dito na ako, bestie. Hello! Ay, naka-live ka na po.
Hi!
Hello there! Enjoying San Benito. Nahihain pa natin si Jay.
Jay, don't be shy.
Hindi mo dala yung
Pili ka, picture tayo.
No? Ako malapit na kayo dito. Babalik muna kami.
Are you guys going to water?
Kayo ba yung mag-aan?
You gonna take a risk?
Kami ni Bong na kayo.
No YOLO, right? You only live once.
Yeah!
Got some cowboys in there.
Ay hubo.
But where's the pool? Where's the big pool? I gotta go to the pool.
No, there's the bigger one.
We have to go.
It's on the other side.
Is it far?
Where's our map, Bong? No. Yan. They left. Happy, get your swimming trunk. Get in the water like that. Just like that. Mag-swim ka na, Elsa. Taas mo ang hair mo. Bessie, akala ko magsiswim kayo. Get your swimming suit. Kami rin. Bessie, hold mo nga ito mapapapicture din.
No, joke lang. Ow! Da-la-la, la-la. Da-la-la, la-la. Go, ganda! Woo! Oh my God! Ay, ang ganda. Ganda, sige pa. Doon ka sa malapit sa waterfall. Kuhanan mo siya. Gustong-gusto niya yung kinukuhanan ng likod niya. Yan. Talikod, talikod. Kapit. I have panty here, babe. But I don't have panty.
After Serena. Bessie, go change na.
Oh, ito rin ba?
Bestie, go.
Are you going in?
I'll have to think about it.
No, you got it. You go too.
Oh, magbihis ka. Tama na.
Baka sipunin. Oy, baka... Ang pilik mo baka madala.
Napakot-kot lang.
FNH. Ba yun? Ano ba yun?
Good, mama. Bravo.
Sisi yan ah. Oh, Rentolia, tama na yan.
Baka ikisipunin na.
No, thinking about it.
Wala ko simpo. Wala akong ano, swimsuit. Baka madulas. Wala eh. Huwag na. Ayaw nila eh. Tama na yung isang artista na lang. Punta natin yung pool na malaki.
Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda na kung